Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. To my existing and to my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Guys, today's video I'll be showing you guys this lovely Ankara fabric. It's an African print, so I'll be working with it. I'll be making a Chanel bag mixed with pure leather. And guys, please watch out for this video. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be well detailed. It's going to be lovely. Guys, I'll be making use of this lovely chain. I'll be making use of gold accessory. I'll be making use of this gold eyelets and gold magnets. It's a stock accessory. This is a stock accessory, so I'll be making use of them. I'll be making use of this this is called mat, so it's going to be like an interior for the bag I'll be making. Is going to serve as an interior. It's very thick and it's very nice. It's very nice, actually not too thick, but you know, just moderately. Guys, you can see how lovely it looks. And guys, I will be working with fiber. I'll be working with fiber. I'll be working with chipboard, but this is fiber. Fiber comes in different colors. You can see in brown, black, different colors. Guys, this work is gonna be awesome. I need you guys to stay tuned. If you've not subscribed, please go and subscribe. I'll be working with this pure leather. Guys, please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the button. Subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button to get updates from me. Thank you very much. I love you guys. I love you all. God bless you.